Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon,
Good
Principal
afternoon.
Ma'am.
How
Good
are you?
afternoon.
And all the best for the
Thank you so
presentation.
much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Principal Ma'am, Reverend judges, in charges, parents, and my dear students who are watching this show live. Today, we started with the virtual presentation of Expo 2023. This year, theme is charismatic semiotics. So now I'm handing over to you, Preeti Ma'am, for proceeding this program.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A very good afternoon to one and all. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here today to build this event. With this note, I would like to give my heartiest welcome to our Reverend Principal Ma'am, respected judges, in charges, our wonderful and enthusiastic parents, and all the smart students who are watching this show. We have assembled here on the virtual platform to showcase Expo 2020, the charismatic semiotics, and our topic is The Happiness You Give Away, Return to Shine on You by Helen Stenner Rice. I know. So today, on this magical day, our little ones have brought a rainbow of programs to express the meaning of real happiness. So let's move on and make this day a very memorable day for all of us. Now, without wasting much time, I'll hand over the stage to Alicia to proceed with the program.
Respected celebrate for 2020 on behalf of my class, second day Cambridge. We dance for laughter. We dance for tears. We dance for madness. We dance for fears. We dance for hopes. We dance for screams. We are the dancers. We create the dreams. So get ready for all the excitement and delight. Save up your energy because we are being welcomed by some great dances. So get up for a striking beginning of the show.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration. It's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
Wow, what a beautiful beginning to the program. Breathtaking performance by my fellow friends now. I would like to request Akshan to please come up and give us the introduction of Expo, the charismatic semiotics, and our topic for today's Expo is the happiness you give away returns to shine on you. Semiotics is an investigation into how meaning is created and how meaning is communicated. It is the way of seeing the world and of understanding how the landscape and culture has a massive impact on all of us. Through our presentations, we are trying to showcase the semiotics in literature and the charisma of words used by poets. So let's reflect upon life, share and learn the values through the charismatic semiotics in poetry. So today the students of class 2nd B Cambridge are going to present the charismatic semiotics, and our topic is the happiness you give away returns to shine on you by Helen Stanner Rice. So here we go.
Thank you so much, Akshan, for enlightening us with so much information about the charismatic semiotics. The happiest people are the ones who make others happy. So I invite my fellow mates on the screen sheet for a dance performance.
I'm so happy, that's why I clap my hands, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I twist my hips, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I march in place, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I wave my arms, because I'm feeling happy. Happy is a feeling I like to feel. Oh yeah, I like to spread it too. Oh yeah, I'm happy just to be here singing a song. Oh yeah, and dancing along with you. Oh yeah, dance your happy up, dance your happy down, dance your happy side to side and dance it all around. Dance your happy up, dance your happy down, dance your happy side to side and dance it all around. I'm so
Wow, fantabulous! Perfect synchronization of dance steps with music, especially virtually. I'm sure it has lured everybody's heart. Happiness can have different meanings for different people. Some may find happiness in earning money. Others may consider the peace of mind as a source of true happiness. So to create awareness about happiness, today we are enlightening you with a wonderful and informative talk show. So let's welcome Ayaj, the host of the Happiness Spectacle. Hello, Sastriyaka, Adab, Namaskar. Today I welcome you all to another episode of Khushi Ki Baat. So today I will be talking about something which is missing in everybody's life. That is happiness. Today we have among us none other than America's beloved inspirational poet, Helen Stanner Rice. Her books of inspirational poetry have now sold nearly 7 million copies. And to introduce her, we have none other than poet's publicist, Mr. David Rowe.
Helen Stanner Rice was a 20th century author, poet, and editor. She was born in Ohio on May 19, 1900. She began and worked progress to the position of advertising manager, which was rare for a woman at that time. In 1929, she married Franklin Rice. She became a successful businesswoman, but found her most satisfying outlet in writing words for the greeting card company. Her poems received wide exposure in the 1960s. Rice devoted the next 50 years of her life to writing greeting card verses. She became known as Poet Laureate of Inspirational Verse. She created the Helen Stanner Rice Foundation to assist charity groups that help needy and elderly people.
We have one more guest today, Mr. Abhay Gupta, a famous actor. We are going to start with Mrs. Helen Steiner. So, Mrs. Helen, you have
is the main task. I have been through a lot in my life. I have constantly done things to find happiness and found my happy place in poetry. It is scientifically proven that giving happiness is the pathway to lasting happiness. I like to end with the note that the happiest people are the ones who make others happy. Thank you so much for your inspirational words. Now we will move on to Mr. Abhay Gupta, a famous actor who was diagnosed with clinical depression 5 years back. So I have a question for you. What is it so hard to find that life of meaning and connection and happiness we long for? Why can't we live in our happy place all the time? Everyone is good, but there are few habits that I added my routine, which help me to come out in my dark. Smile a lot, because when you smile, it causes the brain to release dopamine, which makes us happy. Exercises boost and self-esteem and happiness. Be grateful to God for what you have. This is proof that performing an act of kindness can give you happiness. Thank you so much for sharing those tips. I am sure everyone who is watching this episode will adopt all these habits and will spread happiness in the world. Signing off for today. Thank you and stay tuned for our next episode. What an awesome show! Indeed, we have a lot to learn from these distinguished motivational personalities. Now hold your breath and welcome Shivanshi to tranquil our souls by singing a song by her beautiful immersive voice. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, that you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, lift your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, lift your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, that you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, lift your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, that you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, tap your shoulders. If you're happy and you know it, tap your shoulders. If you're happy and you know it, that you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your shoulders. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, that you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Indeed, a heart-wrenching song sung by Shivanshi. You listen, Alicia, do you know Helen Turner Rice is in town? Yes, last night I saw her on talk show. She is such a renowned poet, but she talks like she is one of us. You know, there is a surprise for you. Today, we have her in our event, reciting everyone's favorite poem. Wow, how exciting it is! Our favorite poet reciting our favorite poem in front of us. Hello everyone, it's so good to be in a town. People are so welcoming that it feels just like home. Today I'm going to present my favorite poem, Help Yourself to Happiness, in front of you. Everybody, everywhere seeks happiness, it's true. But finding it and keeping it seems difficult to do. Difficult because we think that happiness is found only in the places where wealth and fame abound. And so we go searching in palaces of pleasure, seeking recognition and monetary treasure, unaware that happiness is just a state of mind within the reach of everyone who takes time to be kind. For in making others happy, we will be happy too. For the happiness you give away returns to shine on you. That was beautifully recited by Aradhya. Now I would like to invite Mishika to convey us the message Mrs. Helen Stenner Rice wants to give through her poem, Help Yourself to Happiness.
It actually is very difficult to find and maintain happiness. It takes a great amount of patience and time to obtain it. Happiness isn't something you can find through money or popularity. You can find it by hard work and dedication. One thing that would make someone able to get happiness is being kind to others. Just like the poet explains, if you show some humanity and care towards another person, you are most likely going to receive it back, and that will probably give you satisfaction, which leads to happiness.
Thank you, Mishika, for telling us the meaning of real happiness. The happiest people are the ones who make others happy. Be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good things in everything. We now present before you a skit on Secret of Happiness. So come with me to the theater of life. Why are you crying? You have to be happy, just like happy friends. See this drop of water comes from. It's not raining. And the second drop fell on the bird. The bird was surprised. He decided to find another shelter for himself. So it came out and looked at the statue. And what a surprise! The statue was crying. Hey, why are you crying? You are the happy prince. No, not anymore. Why? What happened? When I was alive, I was very happy. I stayed in the palace. I used to play and dance. I spent my life happily in my home and never knew the life outside the walls of the palace. I was very pleased with my small world, and that's why they called me the happy prince. But now, as I am dead and they have put me here, high above the city, I can see the other side of the coin. I can see people and their sufferings. Oh, why are you crying now? I can see a lady living a little far away from the city. She is too poor to feed her baby. Her little boy is crying as he is hungry and ill. But she has nothing to feed him. She can only offer him water from the river. Oh, what a pity. Could you please take my red jewel to the lady? She is in need. But I have to go to Egypt. All my friends have migrated there as it is winter here and it will be warm in Egypt. Please do this as a favor to me. Okay, I will stay with you tonight and go to that lady tomorrow morning. Thank you, my friend. Put the red jewel on the table. It's strange. I am feeling warm, also it's cold out there. It's the warmth of the good deed you have done today. Yes, you're right. I will fly to Egypt tomorrow.
please. I need one more favor from you. Oh no! What is it now? Far away from the city, I can see a writer who is writing a story but can't complete it as he is starving and he has no fire in his room either. He stays in a little room on top of a house. What do you want me to do then? You take one of my eyes and give it to him. Your eye? I can't do that. Please do it. It's a precious blue stone from India. It will help the writer to live good life. Okay, I will stay with you tonight and go to the writer tomorrow morning. Is this a gift from one of my readers? Thank you, my anonymous friend. The writer was happy to have the precious blue stone. As the moon came up, the bird returned back to the prince. I have come to say goodbye to you. I am going to Egypt tomorrow morning. Would you please stay with me one more night? Oh, Prince, it will be winter here and there will be sun and warm in Egypt. I must go the early. Please stop for the sake of a little girl's life. A little girl's life? There is a little girl in the square. She was selling eggs, but they have fallen down and have broken. Now the girl has no money to take home. Her father will hit her if she goes home without money. But how do you want me to help her? Take out my other eye and give it to the girl. Her father will earn good money by selling it. Thus, he won't force the little girl to work. Rather, he will send her to school. No, I will stay with you, but I can't take out your other eye. You will not be able to see then. Please, do it, please. The bird was feeling sad to take out Prince's second eye. He took the jewel to the girl and dropped it. As the prince now had no eye. You are a good prince. I won't go to Egypt. No, now you please go to Egypt. It will be difficult for you to survive here in winter. No, I won't leave you. And the bird stayed there. He told many stories to Prince and entertained him. The prince was also happy to hear them. Moral of the story is happiness. Happiness is the byproduct of an effort to make someone else happy. Splendid performance by my fellow friends. If you have the power to make someone happy, do it. The world needs more of that. Now hold your breath for the surprise that's coming up next for us.
Happiness is something if you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. Happiness is something if you give it away. Then it comes right back to you. Oh, it's just like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. Then it comes right back to you.
Very true. The more you give away, the happier you become. That was indeed a lovely performance. How captivating! Poetry of footsteps, a blend of cosmic tunes and divine music. And now, last but not the least, we have a finale performance for you. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Here's what you say. Yeah, take it off now. Shout out to AK. Here we go. Sending out a message, sending out a message, sending out a message to my people. This has got a message, this has got a message, this has got a message for my people. Dill mein hai faith, this world is a lovely place. Dill mein rakhna tu fight, everything's gonna be alright. हर पल वो है तेरे साथ, जब तक तू है उसके साथ, तो है डरने की क्या बात, everything's gonna be alright. मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान, and I just wanna let you know, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be alright, जब तक हम side by side, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be alright, जब तक तू है मेरे side, everything's gonna be alright. Sending out a message, sending out a message, sending out a message to my people. This has got a message, this has got a message, this has got a message for my people. चलूं रातों को जाग, तारों के पीछे भाग, दिल में लेके ये बात, everything's gonna be alright. दुनिया में अच्छे लोग जो पैदा होंगे रोज, तो दिल पे कैसा बोझ, everything's gonna be alright. तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान, and I just wanna let you know, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be alright, जब तक हम side by side, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be alright.
That was truly awesome. The young dancers really held everyone captive. I still feel like lost in those melody-dipped music notes. Now to conclude with this expo, I would like to call upon our class teacher, Mrs. Preeti Sethi ma'am.
Wow, thank you, Alicia. That was an awesome show. So proud of you, my lovely children. I would like to share one thing that these little ones have put their heart and soul from the last 2 weeks and have this look possible. So I request a big round of applause for my shining stars. Today, these little ones depicted the message beautifully and clearly. They taught us that there are lots of ways to bring joy, happiness, laughter in our lives, and they cost nothing. Happiness doesn't depend on what you have or what you are. It solely relies on what you think. So spread happiness everywhere you go. Be so happy that when others look at you, they become happy too. I now request Honorable Principal Ma'am to share her wisdom with our dear students who are aspiring to be like her.
Dear students, worthy parents, judges, and my dear colleagues, a huge round of applause for this performance. Switch on your camera so that I can see your faces, dear students. Yes, yes, yes. The little shiny stars of today. और बोल रहे थे picture तो अभी बाकी है. So you have shown the whole picture to us beautifully, beautifully presented. Alisha, you spoke so well. You were so confident. Then Vihan Chaudhary, Chatraksh Malhotra. I think I'm pronouncing right.
Yes, ma'am. Instruction, Malhotra.
So proud of you, dear students. And by your performances, you have shown how we can be happy, how we can make others happy, and how we can find happiness in small acts, and how with everything also a person cannot be happy. So if at this young age you are learning all these things, so we are really amazed, we are really proud of you. And then the effects, special effects given by the teacher Preeti Sethi, and on those effects, how you performed. Main thing is like the effects were there. If you are not able to perform accordingly and you are not matching your standards with the effects, so then the visual treat is of no use. But you were matching the standards of the visual effects also. So this visual treat is unmatched, and we are so happy for you, for your parents. You're being proud of us, and really, God bless you, dear children. And I'm amazed about the communication skills you are developing, the creative skills, the dancing skills, the performance you all are doing. So, Preeti, congratulations to you and your team of students and
Thank you.
parents, and all the teachers involved here, teacher
Thank
coordinators.
you, ma'am, for your kind words. Thank you,
Oh, oh
ma'am.
my God, I'm obliged. So happy for you. So happy to be connected with you, to see you, the beautiful faces, the charming faces, and the sparkling little stars. So over to you, Preeti.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. That was indeed motivating. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to showcase our talents. And thank you so much. Your encouraging words will always help us to do something better next time. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now
And
I would like
always making a benchmark. Na? We always do like this is the benchmark. So next time another benchmark is required. We have to meet those standards, whatever levels we are setting. And we are so happy. Gradually, we are making all the things.
surely, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now it is my extreme pleasure to invite the judges to give their valuable feedback. Now we have Mrs. Shilpa Bansal to please come and share her thoughts with us.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now I'm really running short of words after
Short of
seeing
words.
so brilliant performances. I mean, I this was truly the best picture I've ever seen. Lot lot of creative work, very professionally made. Really kudos to the team, and I'm really obliged to be a part of the judge, being a part of the judgment panel. Though I really feel that I'm no one to judge their performance, they were so good, beyond excellence. So really great effort by the team, by the kids, by parents, whosoever was involved in this complete task. Really, hats off to you.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring and enriching message to our blooming birds. Now, I, on behalf of Class 2nd B Cambridge, thank our Reverend Principal Ma'am, respected judges for sparing their valuable time and motivating and encouraging us. I would also like to thank our in charge ma'am, Mrs. Gargi Chabra, for her constant support, and Mrs. Shelly Chabla ma'am, our coordinator, for making herself available all the time.
Shelly is here.
Yes,
Shelly, you are here.
Shelly is here, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yes.
here.
So this is your idea, and it has worked so well.
Everybody has worked on it very well. Everybody has worked very hard.
Very good initiative.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shelly ma'am. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all the parents and the students for being a big support and making it happen. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining with us today virtually. We hope you all had a happy time. Now, all of you, I request you to please ready for Shanti Path.
Oh.